Good morning, good morning, good morning, world. Here I am, ready for my daily feast of quick kibble and happy meow treats. Fish, chicken, mystery meat, oh my! Every bite is a royal banquet of artificial delight. I feel like a feline monarch, ruling over every mealtime, every flavor, every tempting, tasty treat. Every step feels like walking through a kingdom of convenience, a paradise of processed pleasure. Oh no, my leaps, once elegant and swift, now turn into clumsy thuds. A sign that things aren't quite right. A little too much indulgence, a little too much ease, and now I'm paying the price with every sluggish move and every dull strand of fur. Greasy wrappers, empty promises. My feast has left behind a trail of not-so-delicious memories. Memories that cling like shadows. And then, from the greasy depths of our food system, the monster emerges. Monstrous, menacing, made of everything artificial and alluring. Behold the behemoth, the creature born of trans fats and sweet lies, its vacant eyes promising convenience, its jingle a siren song of fleeting pleasure. It invades every corner, every gleaming shelf, pushing aside the honest, wholesome choices with its overwhelming marketing muscle. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Those seductive cravings that make me forget the taste of real, nourishing food. The crash, the never-ending hunger that numbs me. A cycle of cravings and consequences, a torment of artificial addiction. Trapped, trapped, trapped in a cycle where every bite betrays me, where my body rebels and my spirit shrinks. The beast has won. Its toxic reign undeniable, a testament to a system built on quick fixes and empty promises. I am left a prisoner of my own cravings, a shadow of the feline I once was, where every bite is a reminder of lost agility and fading glory. Like, share, subscribe, and join me on the next chapter. What will our tale of temptation and triumph unveil? Stay tuned, my friends. Stay tuned.